matrices. We'll cover all the rest of the matrices here. First thing here, you have multiplication, so this 2 goes to all of these. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 3 is 6. So that becomes this, and you're subtracting here. -4, 2, and 5. So when you do this, it's going to be 2 minus -4, that's 2 plus 4 is 6, 10 minus 2 is 8, 6 minus 5 is 1. So here's your answer. Then here, let's do these two first. So 1 plus 8 is 9. So these two go together. 6 plus 2 is 8. So it'll be 9 and 8 minus 5 and 3. So that's going to be 9 minus 5 is 4, 8 minus 3 is 5. So there's your answer. That's how this one works. Let's go into the dot product. So dot product, you're going to multiply. Here you go. You're going to multiply the row times the column. So you do this times this, and it'll give you this. Okay, so -1 times 4 is -4. And then -5 times 5 is -25. Add those together, you get -29, and that goes here. Then you have this next one. So this, oh, hey, look. Okay, this times this. So it's going to be hold on. Let me make sure I have this thing pulled up so I can look at it. Yeah, I have this going the wrong way. So this next one is going to go this way. I made this too big. It's going to be a little bit smaller. Anyway, so -1 times 2 is -2, and the -5 times -5 is +25, so that's going to be 23. 23 goes here. And then you do this again times this, so it's going to be -1 times -1 is +1. -5 times is +30. So this one is 31. 31 goes here. This is your answer. Right there. So you do row times column. Same thing here. So you do this row times this column. So -5 times 0 is 0. -5 times 0 is 0, and then -3 times 1 is -3. So add that together, that's -3. So the first part is -3. Then we'll do this row. Wait, sorry. Now I'll do this one times this column. So 5 times 5 is 25. -3 times -1 is 3, that's 28. So 28 goes here. Those are the red ones. Alright, now we do this one times this column. So that's 0 times 0 is 0, 6 times 1 is 6, so add that together, that's 6. 6 goes here. 0 times, now we do these. 0 times 5 is 0. 6 times -1 is -6, so that's -6. -6. Now I do this one times this column. 2 times 0 is 0. 5 times 1 is 5. Add that together, that's 5. And then now you multiply by this side. 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5, so that's 5. There you go, that's the answer to that one. So this is the dot product. Last thing we'll look at is application of matrices. Okay, so I just made up some scenarios. So let's say this is tacos de harina, and then tacos de maíz. And let's say you have Bob, Andrew, and Daniel are buying these tacos. Bob, Andy, and Dan. Okay. So, you're probably going to watch the video for this, because I'm explaining things. Watch the video. So what's going on here is that Bob gets 2 flour tacos, and then he gets 4 corn tacos. 4, so yeah, I guess all the meats are the same. So here's what's going to happen. The prices, it's going to be 1.25, so that's 2 times, Bob is paying $2.50 for his 2 tacos there, and then he pays, let me get the calculator going. So $1.75 times 4 tacos, and $7. Then you have Andy is getting 20 of each, so 1.25 times 20, that's $25. And then 1.75 times 20, and then that's $35. Then Dan is getting a dozen flour tortillas, 1.25, so that's $15. And then 6 of the corn, 1.75, so that's $10.50. So $9.50 when you add these. I don't know if this is supposed to be on here. I'm going to take this off. No, actually I'm not. Wow, not what I meant to do. Whatever. 25 plus 35, that's 60. And then 25.50. So that's Bob's total. That's Dan's total. And then that's, Andy's total. And then this is Dan's total. That's how much they're paying for their taco order. Yeah, and you can also look at it this way. So you can have 2.5 plus 25 plus 15. So that's $42.50 spent on tacos with flour. tortilla. And then you also have 7 plus 35 plus 10.5. And then it's 52.50 spent on the other kind. So a lot of things you can interpret with this, but all that information you get straight from here. Let's say you double the price of the tacos. Maybe you order extra meat, or like the prices have gone way up. So before you do anything else, you would have to distribute this too. But that's just for the video. I'm not going to leave it in here for the notes. Yeah, so there it is.